ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवत् व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। So I got a last minute idea that why don't we meet for Shivaratri. So we just finished chanting this Rudram 11 times along with Swamiji. So from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock we had that. So along the way I got this idea to send a note to Vijay. Why not complete the day? Continue the whole thing. Why stop with this? This is the idea I suddenly got. So thanks to all of you for joining. So I'll speak for a few minutes. What we'll do is maybe 10 minutes I'll talk, and then we will chant some bhajans. And if there are a few of you, I could see Venkatraman ji is here. Any of you who know to chant Rudram, we can do one round of Rudram. Rukmini ji is also there. So Vijay ji is there. So please, a few of you there. So we can take a turn and then chant Rudram and any bhajans, and then we can conclude. So it should take long, maybe an hour, around an hour, etc. So today being Shivaratri. Shivaratri is particularly dear to me because I used to spend all night at the temple. Wherever I was, I used to be at a Shiva temple and return home only at 6 or 7 in the morning. Whether it was a work day or a holiday, I used to do that. For many years I used to do. And last 3-4 years I've not been doing because I'm with my parents. And so somehow I decided to, somehow it didn't work out. But I used to always do that. So Shivaratri, Shiva's Ratri, that is one way to look at it, Shiva's Ratri. A night for Shiva. Well, a night for Shiva it doesn't make that much sense because Shiva doesn't need a special night that he has to be awake or he has to do some extra prarthana. All this Shiva doesn't need. So we can't say it is a night for Shiva. It has to be for us only. So a night where we worship Shiva for the sake of Shiva, for our sake, worshipping Shiva. That is the way to look at it. So this, our culture is extremely religious culture, and so these worshipping, this culture, these customs, Sundariji was saying, I attend every function, every religious function at Amrita University. So it's very important for us, and it's a big blessing also. I'll tell you why. A child is born and grows in a family, and for the child to grow properly, the family has to be functional. What is the meaning of a functional family? The parents must be emotionally healthy. The relationship between mother and father should be good, and therefore it all rubs off to the child, and the child is also happy and grows in a healthy manner and knows to express its feelings, and its fears are taken care of, its concerns are taken care of, and so the child grows in a healthy manner. So that relationship for that child, the mother and father is everything. So a parents can either make the life of a child or break the life of a child. This is the fact. It's an unfortunate fact because it doesn't matter how well off the family is financially. It doesn't matter how educated they are. They may have PhDs, both father and mother. Nothing makes a difference. And we all have seen so many families. And you can have a poor family, but the children are quite secure. They feel somehow secure. They may say we are penniless, but you don't see any fear or anxiety in their faces. How is that possible? That shows there is something about that family. There's something about relationships. And so relationships are important. So that's why we grow up in good relationships. We try to develop good relationships. And marriage is very important and very important milestone in every human being, because that husband and wife relationship, it's a next opportunity. If my relationship with my parents and brothers and sisters didn't work out, then here is a chance. Okay, husband wife relationship, family. And so it's supposed to work that way. And so in a marriage, in a Vedic marriage, that's why this Maitri Bhava is highlighted, right? Saptapadi. And then there is a Sakhya Homa. The name of the Homa is called Sakhya Homa. Sakhi means friend. The Homa which prays for the couple so that the two may be best friends for the rest of their life. Can you believe that? Can you believe the vision of the Vedas? They say you must be healthy, you must have a lot of children. Your families, both the boys' family and the girls' family, they all must be in tune with each other. Everything they say, Vedic mantras say all that. But this Sakhya Homa, what about these two people? What should be their relationship? It should be like best friends. And so why they should be best friends? Because there is a lot of emotional growth between two friends. Okay. Now, having said that, this is a big topic. Human relationships. In human relationships, we have so many of them, but human relationships are temporary. Temporary. They may be great, but they are temporary. Okay. They may be very poor, but they are temporary. Why temporary? They say, well, because people are going to pass away. Person may not exist. Your best friend may not exist. They say, I read this statement once and I was so amazed. Even the best of the friends cannot see each other's funerals. When I saw that, it shook me because I never thought like that. And it's obvious. It's very obvious. But you don't think like that. And we all think we are all going to live happily ever after. All these movies we see, we get conditioned. Everything is going to be happy ever after. So it's not going to be the case. But at the same time, relationships are important. So how do you strike the balance? And the balance is that it's not a balance. Bhagavan, relationship with Ishvara, relationship with God, relationship with Parameshwara. That is a relationship that's always going to be permanent. Permanent, as long as we are alive, that relationship is going to be there. Correct? And so our rishis saw that. And so they have given us this whole culture where we can develop a relationship with Bhagavan. And by the way, you can choose who your Bhagavan is. It can be Ganesha, it can be Lakshmi, it can be Saraswati, it can be Rama, it can be Shiva, it can be Sita, it can be Parvati. It doesn't matter. You pick yours, your choice, and then go develop that relationship. Build it, strengthen it. If I strengthen that relationship, then what happens? All the other relationships on which I depend, my life depends on, around me. My children are there, my parents are there, my husband or wife is there, and of course, friends are there, and many other relationships are there. My dependence on those human relationships becomes reduced. Correct? Becomes reduced. I am less dependent on those relationships. Am I audible? Audible. Okay, good. So my dependence on those temporary human fragile relationships becomes less and less. I become more objective because Ishvara is there. That is my primary relationship. And so every day there is a puja done. Every day there is a relationship. Deliberate relationship. People say, what is the use of rituals? They are meaningless. Sometimes people say that. Well, as I tell most of the time, when somebody says that, I ask them, what is it about rituals that are meaningless? You tell me. Oh, I don't understand any of the mantras. Ah, okay. Say that. say that. I don't understand any mantras that the Pandit or Purohit is chanting. That is correct. That's a correct statement. But how does that translate to rituals are meaningless? It doesn't translate. So I had this argument with many boys, and I think they got trapped and they couldn't, I don't know what happened after that. And some people, they still used to argue with me, and but they loved it. And I think some of them maybe had a different view of rituals. But here is the thing. What is a ritual? When I say hi to you, when you say hi to your friend, you are expressing an emotion. When you say bye, emotion. When you say a joke and you smile, hey, there is an expression. There is a communication going on, even though you're all muted and I'm unmuted. Still, there is a lot of communication going on, a lot of emotions going back and forth. I can see all of you, you can see me. And so I'm moving my hands. Everything is a ritual. And, when they inaugurate a building or inaugurate something in the West, they have this ribbon. They tie a ribbon to the new building and then they cut the ribbon. What is that? What is this cutting a ribbon? Huh? It's so crazy. What is this cutting a ribbon? Well, it's not crazy, my dear. It's a ritual. People come. They may not chant Vedic mantras, but it's their ritual. Hey, let's all come. There is all food and it's a nice time. Let's all come together and pray and then let's open this building. Cut a ribbon. Olympics. How does the Olympics start? Somebody takes what do you call this? This fire, this flame, and they run. He runs around the stadium, and then he climbs up, and he lights that gas flame or whatever these days what they have. Probably they have a gas, and then it just goes. What is all this? It's a waste of time? No, it's not a waste of time. It's very important ritual. It just it reflects the commitment the people have to that competitive spirit. All countries have come together, and may this continue for a long time. Even though it's a competition, let it be a friendly competition. So much involved in that. And so it's a ritual. Every blessed thing is a ritual. You get up in the morning onwards, it's all rituals. It's all rituals. What is it? Nannan Vikalana? What is the meaning of that? As though you don't know. Yesterday night only you met him. Okay? So everything is fine. He's smiling at you. Why should you ask this question? Nannan Kingala, how are you? Every day in the morning, how are you? How are you? How are you? Especially when you go to office. I don't do so much. I only meet a few people. But if I went to the office, you got to say, how are you? How are you? Good morning. And you see some new people in the middle of the day, you have to ask the question, hey, how are you? Hey, so it's all a ritual. Therefore, these rituals are all, every act is a ritual, every spoken word can be construed as a ritual. Therefore, this ritual is very important. And you can't just go salute the flag. Flag is a symbol of the country. And then you salute. What is this? Saluting the flag. Who invented it? Somebody decided this is the way to do it. And it's a ritual. Independence Day, huge ritual. Republic Day, huge ritual. It's all, rituals are all needed for us. Without rituals, we will be nobody. We are all related people. We are all not isolated. So rituals become important. And what happened? You didn't call me on my birthday. Every year you used to call me. No, I wished you. Mentally, I wished you. Mentally, I wished you. How will it be if your good friend tells you that? Mentally, I wished you. A second year, you say the same thing. Then he's going to get upset with you. Mentally, I wished. Hey, either you don't wish somebody or wish properly. In WhatsApp, everything is available. Say something. So mentally wishing is not acceptable because nobody can read one's mind. All the emotions are all sitting there. It has to be expressed. So when I express my emotions to Bhagavan, to Ishvara, that becomes a puja. That becomes a puja. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, doesn't matter. 1 hour. And that does wonders. And that bond between Ishvara and me keeps on strengthening. Keeps strengthening. So important for us to develop that relationship. And we should not ignore it. It's important. All of us have to take time to at least light the lamp. Lighting the lamp is a ritual. What is this thing about lighting the lamp? Which culture has it? In America, I don't see it. Nobody lights a lamp. They light candles, but at their homes, nobody told me it's some kind of ritual there. They don't do all that. They have different rituals. Beautiful. So, Shivaratri, coming back to Shivaratri, these customs, these festivals are there. It's also part of the big function where everybody celebrates at the same time. Everybody prays at the same time. The entire 1 billion people should be praying today. Or Shiva Bhaktas, at least they will know today Shivaratri. And so this particular Shivaratri is a little unique. And this celebration starts only in the evening. And the later the better. You know, they start this Chaturkala Puja they do. Abhisheka in Shiva temples. And the first puja will start at 12 o'clock or something, 12 o'clock, 1:30, 3:30, and then 6, something like that. It goes. So, Chaturkala Puja. So, you're supposed to be awake in the night. And it's a great time to connect with Shiva. And also build this titiksha. Because 12 o'clock, the body is saying, it's been 2 hours, I'm supposed to, 12 o'clock, my goodness, how am I going to sit here till 6 o'clock? But there are so many people, and that thought doesn't arise, and everybody's chanting something or the other, bhajans are going on, so you also join, and before you know it, it is 3 o'clock, and no problem. And then you wonder, my God, can I sit like this, without food and without anything, and just sitting like this in one place? And you wonder, my God, I can't survive without lying on a very comfortable bed in the air-conditioned room. It's pretty hot out here. Still, I can survive. Suddenly, you learn more about yourself. Is it not? You have stretched yourself during this Shivaratri. So, it does wonders. Any function, you go anywhere, you go to Indian temples especially, it's all crowded. And by the time you go inside and come out, and it's a very important thing. Just going to the temple is important. For us, it's so important. Nobody complains. It's all crowded. Oh, I went to the temple, it was crowded. Nobody says that. Because that's how it is. Everybody wants to see Bhagavan. Who am I to say it's crowded or not crowded? So Shivaratri is a time, especially for people like us who are studying the Shastram. We have to see students of Vedanta. Some of us will develop with question. I've been studying Vedanta for a year and a half, and somehow I don't feel anything is happening to me. Why am I sad? Why am I always like this? And even though I follow what is going on, still nothing has happened. Still I am the same old person. Okay? Many people have told me this. One of the reasons for that is the person doesn't do any puja. There is no bhajan. There is no chanting. There is nothing going on. And to many people I've suggested, maybe you should consider that. And then it changes their life completely. Changes their life completely. And so that connection, and that's why all these Vedic customs are all there. And in people like us who have this sacred thread, etc. So we have, thrice a day minimum, we are supposed to do this Sandhya Vandanam and so forth. So we connect with Aditya Devata. We connect with Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati. So we connect with the Devatas. Namasavitre Jagadeka Chakshushe Jagat Prasuti Stitinasa Hetavi. So like that, we chant and visualize Vishnu pervading this universe. Jaya Sada Savitra Mandala Madhyavarti, we say, hey, Jaya Sada, visualize Krishna, visualize Vishnu Savitra Mandala Madhyavarti, this cosmos, imagine that he is sitting in this cosmos. Cosmos is rotating and he's there right in the middle. This is why we do. We're supposed to do all this. When we chant, we should visualize these things. And so that visualization is so important. That connecting with Bhagavan is important. And so today I thought I'll share that with you. And Shivaratri especially was dear to me also. So the importance of any function, not just Shivaratri, and is to be highlighted, to be noted. And so there is a time when the rituals have done its job and you no longer have to spend as much time in rituals, as much time in puja. Okay, our sannyasis don't do puja at all because it has served their purpose. They don't need the help of puja anymore. Okay, so that is how growing out also happens. And so we have to take the help of Ishvara. All the customs, all the rituals, all the puja, all the prarthana, so many customs are there, my God. So every other day there is some ritual are there. They will say, this one, Shani Pradosham, they will say suddenly. Shani Pradosham means Pradosham means it's the 13th day. So Trayodashi, the 13th day of the lunar calendar, then you have to, that's an evening where you worship Shiva, Pradosham. And then Shani Pradosham means if the Pradosham falls on a Saturday, then it becomes even more sacred. So like this, if you miss one, you have the second chance. If the second chance gone, third chance is available. Something will come. And it's absolutely amazing. So, wanted to share these thoughts with you. And so today being Shivaratri, I'm sure all of you have celebrated it already, especially in India, in your own way. And so we will stop with that. We can briefly, we can ask who did what for the next few minutes, and then we can chant some bhajans and mantras. So I have allowed you to unmute yourself. Anybody who wants to raise your hand and say a few words. Yeah, Mohini ji, go ahead.
I just finished the Rudram Abhishekam and everything, puja for Shiva. I'm at home, thankfully, this year. Otherwise, also, I come home and do it in the evening. And then for years together now, I've been going to the temple. All night we are there. And also we do till 6 o'clock. When the sunrise happens, the aarti is given. And even if I have to work that day, I leave from the temple there. This year I'm missing it, but thanks to you that you arranged this in the day, and hopefully at night we can connect with the Zoom at temple and do what we will. I'm used to doing it every year.
Very good, very nice. Excellent. Thanks, Mohini ji. Anybody else? Vijay ji, go ahead.
So yeah, normally even I used to spend the whole night in the ashram, Art of Living ashram, but yeah, this time couldn't go there. Though the function is there with social distancing and all, but didn't go. Started morning with chanting Om Namah Shivaya, 2 rounds, 2 Japamalas. And 11:45 there is a live meditation with Gurudev. So we'll attend that and hoping to stay awake. Let's see. Hoping to stay awake because morning 4:30 there's Rudra Abhishekam or puja in the morning. So that's the plan. It's all being telecast live, so everything is live.
Okay, so morning 4:30 at the ashram there is a...
Yeah.
Good, very nice.
Thank you for arranging
Satish
this.
and Sudha.
I chanted Shivananda Lahari, Shiva Sahasranamam, Lalita Sahasranamam, and went to temple, did Abhishekam at home.
Very nice. Excellent. Your son, is he with you or he's living separately, your son?
Yeah, he's in Tiruvannamalai now.
Elder son.
Oh, yeah. Tiruvannamalai. Very nice. Good place to be for Shivaratri.
at this time.
Good. Who was? Yeah, Rukmini ji, go ahead.
Yeah, we did puja in the morning at home, and with the Srinivasans, we chanted Mrityunjaya Maha Mantra 108 times. And then Shiva Manasa Puja, Shiva Panchachara Chotram. So we did that in the evening. Lalita Sahasramam, Vishnu Sahasramam, everything we did. Parayanam. Srinivasanji's group, Charvi, myself.
Yeah. So that's good. It must have taken you 3 hours or so, I think, maybe more.
Yeah, it's more than 2.5 hours, and we chanted Om Namah Shivaya 3 malas.
Yeah.
We chanted.
Nice. Very nice. Yeah, Mahesh ji, go ahead.
Yeah, I plan to go to the Meenakshi temple this evening. They have the Homam Shankha Puja and Abhishekam, and then Chaturkala Puja at 12, 1:30, 3 and 4:30. So last few years I've been doing it, but hopefully I don't know how it will be with the COVID and all that, the restrictions, but I plan to go there and see how things are, and then
Yeah.
if conducive, I'll stay back.
Okay. Yeah.
Normally
so I
after
think-
that Atma Linga Puja, they have around 9 to 10 or something like that. After that, 95% of the people leave. So in the night, hardly anybody there. But so from a COVID perspective, that is better. So
Yeah, so if you go after 10 o'clock, whatever, 10:30, 11, I think it should be
yeah,
good.
I'll see.
I used to go around that time, and I think the 15 years I was in Houston, I think I cannot think of even 1 year that I missed going to Meenakshi Temple. So when you say that, I can visualize the whole process. Thanks, Mahesh.
Yeah, the crowd has grown quite a bit in the last 2 years. But even though there are other Shiva temples like Chinmaya Mission here or Guruvayurappan temple, they have a Shiva Sannidhi now. They don't do the overnight. They just do the evening and then that's it. Maybe there are other Shiva temple which I don't know, but Meenakshi temple has been doing it. So I plan to go there and see. This year it's a little bit because of COVID. I don't know. Last year it was pre-COVID, so
Sure.
it went through usual. So
Yeah. Anybody else? Yeah, Bhanu.
In the morning, we had a surprise Mrityunjaya Mantra, Mahamrityunjaya Mantra chanting organized by our yoga teacher. So we did that. I, along with my parents and the others in the group, did that. And then in the evening, I chanted the Mrityunjaya Mantra again 108 times.
Very good. That's a great way to celebrate. Yeah, Girish, go ahead.
Morning 8 o'clock, actually, yesterday itself we planned to make sure that we wake up in the morning and do our pujas and all. And then 108 times we did chant Om Namah Shivaya. We started by doing the Guru Puja. We have a way of doing the Guru Puja, and we started that, and then 108 times Om Namah Shivaya, followed by Mrityunjaya Mantra. And then we did some other, puja sessions. And we wanted to go out, but unfortunately, because of the COVID situation, actually, we were not able to go to the temple. Since our compound is the containment zone, so we are not allowed to go. So otherwise, we were planning to go for it. But it's a very good day today.
Sure.
Really very auspicious and
yeah. Nice, Girish. Anybody else?
Yeah.
Satyapa, solunga.
We have got a small Vedam group. Every day we meet in the Zoom and chant some sukta today being Sivaratri, we chanted Mahanyasam and then Rudram. That we completed. And every Pradosham we used to chant Rudram, this Chamakam, with Laganyasam. But today we did with Mahanyasam.
Mahanyasam. Mahanyasam. It would have taken a long time.
Yes, it takes 2 hours.
Yeah. Good. So it must have been over around what time?
We started at 5:30 and ended at 7 o'clock. In fact, 7:30.
Yeah. Very nice.
And before that, we used to go to Tiruchur. That is nearly 5 years back. Sivaratri. Every Sivaratri, there is a Shiva temple there in the Tiruchur. Old ancient temple.
We cannot
That
hear
is a
you.
Vadakkunnathan temple.
Sittappa, we cannot hear you. Mute item.
Yeah, mute. Now, we used to go to that village in Tiruchur and used to chant Rudram Chamakam throughout the night in Sivaratri night.
Okay. Is it Vadakkunnathan?
Yeah.
Vadakkunnathan.
Yeah.
Nice temple. Very beautiful temple. Okay. Anybody else? Surendra, go ahead.
Yeah. I'm in Pune, and today morning a group chanting was there online. Om Namah Shivaya for 1 hour. Then followed by puja at individual's house. Unfortunately, Pune, the situation is bad that because of the COVID, and its second stage coming up again, both Pune and Nagpur, and also in Mumbai, with the result that they have closed all the Shiva temples. So it was not possible to visit any temple today. So it was that way only we could stay in house and chant Vishnu Sahasranama and something like that. That's
I see. Okay, so basically you stayed at home and
yes,
connected on Zoom or something like that. Huh?
Yes, connected on.
Okay. Nice. That's the right way to celebrate these days. Anybody else? Okay. So let's do this. How many of you are comfortable chanting Rudram? Okay. So few of you are there. Good. So do one thing. If you can, on your computer or phone, if you can raise your hand so I can see those of you who are.
Jaykumarji, namaste. I cannot stay here for more than an hour. I just thought I'll join during lunch.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. So yeah, Mohini ji. All right. That's fine. So we can, let's do this. Let's chant. Let's take turns chanting Rudram. Anuvaka by Anuvaka. So if you have a book, if you need a book.
Give me a minute, Jaykumarji. I'll go and get the book.
Yeah.
You can go ahead. I'll join.
So this will take about 15 minutes. After that, what we'll do is we'll chant some bhajans. So those of you who are comfortable chanting shlokas or bhajans, Panchakshara, Shiva Panchakshara, Marga Bandhu, so many are there. So we can do that.
Some of them had indicated they wanted to do some bhajans.
Yeah, please, you should do that.
Sudhaji, Sri Vidyaji, they've indicated.
Good. Now we need that. Let's do that. Let's do bhajans also. And let's chant Rudram first, and then we'll conclude with bhajans. And we can spend some time. We can stay a little longer. I mean, I don't have a deadline or anything like that. So we can go to 11:15, 11:30. It's fine. Okay. So I think go ahead and mute yourselves, and then we will only the person who's chanting will unmute themselves. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shancha me mayascha me priyancha me nukamascha me kamascha me saumanasascha me bhadrancha me shreyascha me vasyascha me yasascha me bhagascha me dravinancha me yantacha me dhartacha me kshemascha me dhritischa me vishvancha me mahascha me samvicha me jnatrancha me suscha me prasuscha me sirancha me layascha marutancha me mrutancha me yakshmancha me namayachcha me जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वञ्च मे न मित्रञ्च मे भयञ्च मे सुगञ्च मे शयनञ्च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनञ्च मे ओम शांति 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 வெங்கட்ராமன் சித்தப்பா சொல்லுங்க, நீங்க சொல்லுங்க அடுத்து.
ओ नमो भगवते रुद्राय नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यवभूतोतैषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः या तेषु शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः शिवाशरव्यायातवतया नो रुद्रमृडय या ते रुद्रशिवा धनुरघोरा पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुवासन्तमया गिरिचन्ता भिषाकसीः यामिषुं गिरिचन्त हस्तेऽपि पश्यस्तवे शिवां गिरिद्रतां गुरुमादिकं चे पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा त्वा वदामसि यथा दस्सर्वविद्यकतयः
Those who know can chant. Just keep yourself muted. Yeah.
And here, not able to hear. यथा सर्वमित्यहतयच्छुं सुमना असत् अध्यवोतदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्यो भिषके अयिगुं सर्वान् जम्पयन् सर्वाश्रयादुधान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उदबभ्रुषु मङ्गलः एचे माकुं रुद्रा अभिथो दिक्षुत्रिदा सहस्रशो वैशाखुं फेडयीमहे असव्योपसत्पदि नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उदयनं गोप अदृश नदृशनुदहार्यः उदयनं विश्वाभूत निःसदृष्टो मृडयातिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मेरुषे अतो ये अस्य चत्वारोहं तेभ्यो करन् नमः प्रमुञ्चदन्वनस्तु मयोरात्निर्योज्याम् ताचते हस्तैषवः पराता भगवो वप अवदत्यदनुस्त्वहुं सहस्राक्षसधेषु ते निशिर्य शल्याणां मुख शिवो नः सुवना भव इत्यन्तनुकपर्तिनो विशल्यो बाणवाकुं मुत अनेशन्नस्यैषव अपुरस्य निषङ्गतिः यात्ते हेतुर्मिदुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजम् नमस्ते अस्वायुधाय नाथताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुदते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान्वणक्तु विश्वतः अतो य इषुदस्तवारे अस्मन्निदेहितम्.
नमस्ते. Next, Sunita, go ahead.
शंभवे नमः. नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यंबकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकंठाय मृत्युंजयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः. नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पतीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्लुषाय विव्याधिनेन्नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तथा विनेक्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नमः उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्तीनां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवीताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः. Should I
Mahesh,
continue?
go ahead. Yeah, mute yourself and continue. Yeah.
नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन व्याधिनीनां पदये नमो नमः ककुपाय निषङ्गिणे स्थेनानां पदये नमो नमो निषङ्गिनैषधिमदे तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्जदे परिवञ्जदे स्थायूनां पतये नमो नमो विचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः स्त्रिगाविभ्यो जिगागुंसभ्यो मुष्णदां पतये नमो नमः सिमद्भ्यो नक्तञ्जरभ्यः प्रगृन्दानां पतये नमो नमः उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नमः आदन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आयश्चभ्यो विसृजभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्यद्भ्यो विद्यभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वभद्भ्यो जाग्रभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः तिष्ठद्भ्यो दावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभावदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपदिभ्यश्च वो नमः.
Yeah, Mahesh ji, your swaras you may have to pick up slightly. Yeah.
Okay.
Swaras have to be corrected somewhat. Okay, who is next?
नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्तृगंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः संग्रहीतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्ठेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः. नमो भवाय.
Who's next? Who would be next? Yeah, Mohini ji, go ahead.
Sorry. नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युक्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मीडुष्टमाय च शुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृद्धने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे च जिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च.
Yeah, who is next? That's all. What about Sundari ji? Have you learned it properly, Sundari ji?
You join me. So first.
नमः च पशुपतये ग्राय च गाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमः ताराय नमः सम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमः नित्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च वाद्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय सोत्तरणाय च नमः आदार्याय सालाध्याय च नमः षट्याय च पेण्याय च नमः शिखत्याय च प्रवाक्याय च.
So this particular Anuvaka, it's called Anuvaka. Every paragraph is called Anuvaka. So there are some 11 Anuvakas in this Rudram. And so there is a saying that in the entire, you study the entire Yajurveda. If you can't, you study this Rudram and Maharudram. It's called Namakam, also called Namakam. And Maharudram. And this Rudram you chant. And if you can't chant that all the 7 Anuvakas, chant this particular 8th Anuvaka. Hara Hara Nama Soma Yacha Rudra Yacha. Like that it goes. If you can't chant that much also, then you know what? There is a Shiva. Shiva's name is coming right in between. Mayobhave cha Namah Shankaraya cha Mayaskaraya cha Namah Shivaya cha. So Namah Shivaya, just chant Namah Shivaya. Keep on chanting Namah Shivaya. This is how our tradition of Swamis tell us that. So that's why many of you have chanted Namah Shivaya today. So that's what I was reminded of. Number 8. Okay, who would like to chant number 9? So Mahesh ji.
Okay.
Go ahead, Mahesh.
Nama Irinyaya च प्रपथ्याय च नमः किगुंसिलाय च क्षयनाय च नमः कबर्दिने च फुलत्स्तये च नमः नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमः स्थल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेष्प्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय च लप्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च वर्णशद्ध्याय च नमो पगुरमानाय च विद्नते च नमः आकिदते च प्रकिदते च नमो वक्किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नमः आनिर्हतेभ्यो नमः आमिवत्केभ्यः.
Mohini ji, go ahead.
द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभिर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनु शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजीतया नो मृडजीवसे हेमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिं यथा नः शमशद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रोतनो मयस्कृति क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्चञ्चयाश्च मनुराय जे पिता ततस्याम तव रुद्रः प्रणीतौ मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्धकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितं मानो वधीः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो हदेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्ते गोग्न उत पूरुषज्ञे क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यता च नः शर्म यच्छद्विवर्हाः स्तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदुञ्जुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहत्नुमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्वृणक्तु परित्वेषश्चतुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्भ्यस्त्वनुष्वमेध्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मेढुष्टम शिवतम शिवो नः सुमना भव परमे वृक्ष आयुधं निधाय कृत्तिन्वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रतागहि विकिरित विलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगं हेतयोऽन्यमस्वन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीना मुखाकृधि.
Sunita Chavendra.
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्यां तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवे अन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवाः शितिकण्ठाः शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाः शितिकण्ठादिवगं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिकासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पथां पथि रक्षय ऐलभृदा यव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति शुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां ये अन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वो जम्भे ददामि.
Sundari ji.
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सु य औषधीषु रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु तमुष्टुहि यस्विषु दन्नो विश्वस्य क्षयति द्वेषजस्य यश्वामहेसौ मनसाय रुद्रं नमो बिर्देवमसुरं तुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवान् अयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्ववेशजो यं सिमर्चनः एते सहस्रमयुतं वासो मृत्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानव यजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा ओम नमो भगवते रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे भाहि प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तः तेनान्नेनाभ्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय वे मृत्युर्मे भाहि सदाशिवोम ओम शांति शांति हरि ओम.
So who are you learning from, Sundari ji? Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, you chanted this one. So let us chant some bhajans. Those of you especially who are good at doing it. Sri Vidya ji, please take turns and chant some bhajans. If you want one of us to repeat after you, that is also fine. You can choose and do what you want to do.
I'm going to sing a song, Guruji. This is not a repeat. This is just a song. It is not a bhajan.
Good. Yeah. Do please do.
It is by Thai Manavar.
Thai Manavar.
Saint, and it is in the raga of Nadana. Thai Manavar. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. It is set in the raga of Nada Namakriya. It is on Shiva. I'll start. Sorry, I'm a new learner. Please excuse me. பாராயோ என்னை ஈராயோ வாய் திறந்து செப்பாய் பராபரமே பாராயோ என்னை முகம் பார்த்தொரு காலென் கவலை தீராயோ வாய் திறந்து செப்பாய் பராபரமே அன்பர் பணி செய்ய அன்பர் பணி செய்ய என்னை ஆளாக்கி விட்டு விட்டால் அன்பர் பணி செய்ய என்னை ஆளாக்கி விட்டு விட்டால் இன்ப நிலை தானே வந்து எய்தும் பராபரமே அன்பர் பணி செய்ய என்னை ஆளாக்கி விட்டு விட்டால் இன்ப நிலை தானே வந்து எய்தும் பராபரமே எவ்வுயிரும் என்னுயிர் போல் எண்ணீரங்கவும் நின் தெய்வ அருட்கணை செய்யாய் பராபரமே எவ்வுயிரும் என்னுயிர் போல் எண்ணீரங்கவும் நின் தெய்வ அருட்கணை செய்யாய் பராபரமே எல்லாம் நினது செயல் எல்லாம் நினது செயல் என்றென்னும் எண்ணமும் நீ எல்லாம் நினது செயல் என்றென்னும் எண்ணமும் நீ அல்லால் எனக்குளதோ ஐயா பராபரமே எல்லாம் நினது செயல் என்றென்னும் எண்ணமும் நீ அல்லால் எனக்குளதோ ஐயா பராபரமே ஐயா பராபரமே பராபரமே. Om Namah Shivaya.
Very nice, very nice. So you made me a man. Alaki vittai.
Yes.
Very nice.
It is called Parabara Kanni Padalgal by Thai Manavar. It is one portion of it.
So you are learning that now, is it not?
No, I learned it some years back, and I am learning. I'm continuing. This is one of my songs. Teacher.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. So who would like to be next?
Can I chant Rudrashtakam, Jayakumarji?
Yeah, please do.
नमामीशमीशान निर्वाण रूपं विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्म वेद स्वरूपं निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निरीहं चिदाकाशमाकाशवासं भजेऽहं निराकार ओंकारमूलं तुरीयं गिराज्ञानगोतीतमीशं गिरीशं करालं महाकालकालं कृपालं गुणागार संसारपारं नतोऽहं तुषाराद्रिसङ्काशगौरं गभीरं मनोभूतकोटे प्रभा श्रीशरीरं स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा लसत्पालबालेन्दुकण्ठे भुजङ्गा चलत्कुण्डलं भ्रूसुनेत्रं विशालं प्रसन्नाननं नीलकण्ठं दयालं मृगाधीशचर्माम्बरं मुण्डमालं प्रियं शङ्करं सर्वनाथं भजामि प्रचण्डं प्रकृष्टं प्रगल्भं परेशम् अखण्डम् अजं भानुकोटिप्रकाशं त्रयशूलनिर्मूलनं शूलपाणिं भजेऽहं भवानीपतिं भावगम्यं कलातीतकल्याणकल्पान्तकारी सदा सज्जनानन्ददाता पुरारी चिदानन्द सन्दोह मोहापहारी प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रभो मन्मथारी न यावतु मानाद पादारविन्दं भजन्ति लोके परे वा नराणां न तावत् सुखं शान्ति संतापनाशं प्रसीद प्रभो सर्वभूतादिवासं न जानामि योगं जपं नैव पूजां नतोऽहं सदा सर्वदा शम्भुतुभ्यं जराजन्म दुःखौकतातप्यमानं प्रभो पाहि आपन्नमामीश शम्भो प्रभो पाहि आपन्नमामीश शम्भो प्रभो पाहि आपन्नमामीश शम्भो.
Sorry. Next. Yeah, go ahead.
Shivamanasa Puja.
Shivamanasa Puja. रत्नैः कल्पितमासनं हिमजलैः स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरं नानारत्नविभूषितं मृगमदा मोदाङ्कितं चन्दनं जाती चम्पकबिल्वपत्ररचितं पुष्पं च धूपं तथा दीपं देवदयानिधे पशुपते हृत्कल्पितं गृह्यताम् सौवर्णे नवरत्नखण्डरचिते पात्रे घृतं पायसं भक्ष्यं पञ्चविधं पयोदधियुतं रम्भाफलं पानकं शाकानामयुतं जलं रुचिकरं कर्पूरखण्डोज्ज्वलं ताम्बूलं मनसा मया विरचितं भक्त्या प्रभो स्वीकुरु छत्रं चामरयोर्युगं व्यजनकं च आदर्शकं निर्मलं वीणाभेरिमृदङ्गकाहलकला गीतं च नृत्यं तथा साष्टाङ्गं प्रणतिस्तुतिर्बहुविधा एतत् समस्तं मया संकल्पेन समर्पितं तव विभो पूजां गृहाण प्रभो आत्मा त्वं गिरिजामतिः सहचराः प्राणाः शरीरं गृहं पूजा ते विषयोपभोगरचना निद्रा समाधिस्थितिः सञ्चारः पदयोः प्रदक्षिणविधिः स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तत्तदखिलं शम्भो तवाराधनम् करचरणकृतं वा कायजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वापराधं विहितमविहितं वा सर्वमेतत् क्षमस्व जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो.
Yeah, very nice. Shiv Manasapura.
Jaykumarji,
What is that? Yadyat karma karomi tattadakilam shambho tavaradha. Atma Swam Girija Mati. It's a very famous. We use that in Vedanta also. We use those statements. Yeah. Good. Good.
Jaykumar, shall I sing Shivopasana mantra?
Yeah, go ahead, Mohini. Yeah.
Om Nidhanapataye Namaha Nidhanapatantikaya Namaha Urdhvaya Namaha Urdhvalingaya Namaha Hiranyaya Namaha Hiranyalingaya Namaha Suvarnaya Namaha Suvarnalingaya Namaha Divyaya Namaha Divyalingaya Namaha Bhavaya Namaha Bhavalingaya Namaha Sharvaya Namaha Sharvalingaya Namaha Shivaya Namaha Shivalingaya Namaha Jvalaya Namaha Jvalalingaya Namaha Atmaya Namaha Atmalingaya Namaha Paramaya Namaha Paramalingaya Namaha Etat somasya sodyasya sarvalingagasthabhayati pani mantram pavitram sadya jatam prapadyami sadya jataya vai namo namaha bhave bhave nati bhave bhavasvamam bhavotbhavaya namaha Vamadevaya namo Jyesthaya namo Shreshthaya namo Rudraya namo Kalaya namo Kalavikarnaya namo Balavikarnaya namo Balaya namo Balapramathanaya namo Sarvabhutadamanaya namo Manonmanaya namaha Aghorebhyo Thagorebhyo Ghoraghoratarbhyah Sarvebhyah Sarvebhyo Namaste Astu Rudrarupebhyah Tatpurushaya Vidmahe Mahadevaya Dhimahi Tanno Rudrah Prachodayat Ishana Sarva Vidyanam Ishvara Sarva Bhutanam Brahmadhipatir Brahmanodhipatir Brahma Shiva me Astu Sada Shivam Namo Hiranyabahave Hiranyavarnaya Hiranyarupaya Hiranyapataye Pataya Umapataye Pashupataye Namo Namaha Ritagam Satyam Param Brahma Purusham Krishna Pingalam Urdharetam Virupaksham Vishvarupaya Vai Namo Namaha Sarva Vai Rudrastasmai Rudraya Namo Astu Purusho Vai Rudrasanmaho Namo Namaha Vishvam Bhutam Bhuvanam Chitram Bahudha Jatan Jayamanam Chayat Sarvo Hesha Rudrastasmai Rudraya Namo Astu Kadrudraya Prachetase Midushtamaya Tavyase वोचे मशतमगं हृदे सर्वो हेष रुद्रस्तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।
Yeah, nice. Where are you? Sundari ji, yeah.
I'll sing it. You can follow me. The simple bhajan. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Namah. Okay.
Yeah.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Om Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shiva Om Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shiva Om Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shiva Om Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shiva Om Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shiva Om Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Om Namah.
Yeah. Om Namah Shivaya. Anybody else?
You should sing something, Jai Kumar ji.
Huh?
You should sing something.
Bhajan, somebody leading a bhajan. Okay, so I'll chant a bhajan. Okay, Girish ji, go ahead, you do it. After that, I'll do a bhajan.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Dimik dimik dim dimik dimik dim naache bola na. Dimik dimik dim dimik dimik dim naache bola na. 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 Dimik dimik dim dimik dimik dim naache bola na. Dimik dimik dim dimik dimik dim naache bola na. मृदंग बाजे शिव 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 ओम वीणा बोले हर 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 ओम मृदंग बाजे शिव 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 ओम वीणा बोले हर 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 ओम नाचे बोला ना. नाचे bolana. Dimika dimika dim, dimika dimika dim, nache bolana. Gungaru baje, Shiva 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 Om. Gungaru baje, Shiva 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 Om. Damaru bole, Har 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 Om. Damaru bole, Har 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 Om. Nache bolana, nache bolana, nache bolana, nache bolana. Dimika dimika dim, dimika dimika dim, nache bolana. Dimika dimika dim, dimika dimika dim, nache bolana.
Yeah, good. Famous bhajan. So let's. So I'll chant a bhajan. Girish ji, go ahead and if you can repeat. So all of you can repeat after me. Hara Hara Shankara,
Hara Hara Shankara,
Samba Sada Shiva.
Samba Sada Shiva.
Everybody can mute yourselves except Girish ji. Except Girish. Everybody can mute yourself. Hara Hara Shankara, Samba Sada Shiva.
Hara Hara Shankara, Samba Sada Shiva.
Isha Mahesha,
Isha Mahesha.
Hara Hara Shankara, Samba Sada Shiva. Isha Mahesha,
Hara Hara Shankara,
Samba Sada
Shiva.
Isha
Mahadeva.
Tandava Priyahara,
Tandava Priyahara,
Chandrakaladhara,
Chandrakaladhara,
Isha Mahesha,
Isha Mahesha.
Mandava Priyahara, Chandrakaladhara, Tandava Priyahara, Tandava Priyahara,
Tandava Priyahara,
Chandrakaladhara,
Chandrakaladhara,
Isha Mahesha,
Mahesha.
Ambasuta,
Ambasuda,
Lambodara Vandita,
Lambodhara Vandita,
Isha Mahesha,
Isha Mahesha.
Ambasuta Lambodara Vandita, Ambasuta Lambodara Vandita, Isha Mahesha,
Isha Mahesha.
Tunga Himachala,
Tunda Himachala,
Sringa Nivasita,
Sringanivasita,
Isha Paresha,
Isha Paresha.
Tunga Himachala,
Tunga Himachala,
Sringa Nivasita,
Sringanivasita,
Isha Paresha,
Isha Paresha.
Hara Shankara, Samba Sada Shiva.
Hara Hara Shankara, Samba Sada Shiva.
ईशा महेश
ईशा महेश
हर हर शंकर सांब सदा शिव
हर हर शंकर सांब सदा शिव
ईशा महेश
ईशा महेश
हर ईशा महेश
ईशा महेश
हर ईशा महेश
हर ईशा महेश
Anybody else?
Jaykumarji,
Shall
I
I
will
chant Lingashtakam?
Lingashtakam.
Jaykumarji, I will drop and
Yeah,
namaskar.
go ahead. Yeah.
Happy Shivratri to everybody.
Okay, I'm also learning, so pardon me if some words are not okay.
Dhamma Murari
Brahma Murari Surachit Lingam Nirmala Bhashit Shobhita Lingam Janmaja Dukha Vinashana Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam Devamuni Pravarachit Lingam Kamadahana Karunakaranlingam Ravanadarpa Vinashanalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Sarvasugandha Sulepitalingam Buddhi Vivardhana Karanalingam Siddha Surasura Vanditalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Kanaga Mahamani Bhushitalingam Panipati Veshtita Shobhitalingam Daksha Suyagna Vinashanalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Kunkuma Chandana Lepitalingam Pankajahara Sushobhitalingam Sanchita Papa Vinashanalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Devaganachit Sevitalingam Bhavair Bhakti Birevachalingam Dinakara Koti Prabhakara Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Ashtadalo Pariveshtita Lingam Sarva Samudbhava Karana Lingam Ashtadaridra Vinashana Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Suraguru Suravara Pujita Lingam Suravana Pushpa Sadarchita Lingam Parat Param Paramatmaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Lingashtakam idam punyam yapateta Shivasannidho Shivaloka Mahapnoti Shivena Sahamodate Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om
Very
Namah
nice.
Shivaya.
Very nice. Yeah, anybody else?
I will sing
Guruji,
few
can I-
lines. No, sorry.
Can I chant Margabandhu Stotram?
Margabandhu, yeah. Shambho Mahadeva. Yeah, go ahead. Sudha, afterwards, next year's.
Shambho Mahadeva Deva Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Devesha Shambho Shambho Mahadeva Deva Halavanam Bratkiritam Palanetradi Sadakta Pancheshu Kitam Shulahatarati Kutam Suddhamardendu Chudam Bhaje Margabandhum Shambho Mahadeva Shideva शिव शंभो महादेव देवेश शंभो शंभो महादेव देवा अंगे विराजत भुजंगम अभ्रगंगातरंगाभिरामोत्तमांगम ओंकारवाटी कुरंगम शुद्ध संसेवितांग्रिं भजे मार्गबंधुम शंभो महादेव देवा नित्यं चिदानंद रूपम निह्नुताशेष लोकेश वैरि प्रतापम कार्तस्वरागेन्द्र चापम कृत्तिवासं भजे दिव्य सन्मार्ग बंधुम शंभो महादेव देवा कंदर्पदर्पघ्नमीशं कालकंठं महेशं महाव्योमकेशं कुन्दाभजन्तं सुरेशं कोटिसूर्यप्रकाशं भजे मार्गबन्धुं शंभो महादेव देवा मन्दारभूतेरुदारं मन्तरागेन्द्रसारं महाकौर्यदूरं सुन्दूरदूरप्रचारं सिन्धुराजादितीरं भजे मार्गबन्धुं शंभो महादेव देवा शिव शंभो महादेव देवेश शंभो महादेव देवा अप्पय्य यज्वेन्द्र गीतं स्तोत्रराजं पठेत्यस्तु भक्त्या प्रयाणे तस्यार्थ सिद्धिं विनस्ते मार्गमध्ये वयं चाशुतोषो महेशा शंभो महादेव देवा शिव शंभो महादेव देवेश शंभो महादेव देवा
Shambho Mahadeva Deva. Do you know the meaning of the word Ashutoshi? Srividya.
All fulfilling. Whatever. One who fulfills all your needs.
Ashutoshi means one who is easily pleased.
Oh, easily pleasable. Okay.
One who is easily pleased. That's why all the Rakshasas went to Shiva and got boons. And then Vishnu is wondering, what is all this? Shiva, why did you keep quiet for a while? You're creating a lot of problem for us. So, Ashutoshi, because he's Ashutoshi.
I remember my childhood. Whenever we get onto the car, my grandmother will say, start Margabandhu Stotram immediately once the car rolls out. So,
Yeah. Good memories. Yeah, Sudha, go ahead.
Few lines from Shiva Panchakshara Nakshatramala. Namah Shivaya, you can repeat. Srimadatmane Gunaika Sindhave Namah Shivaya Dhamalesha Dhuta Koka Bandhave Namah Shivaya Nama Sheshita Namad Bhavandhave Namah Shivaya Pamaretar Namah Shivaya Pralabhita Viprabala Palate Namah Shivaya Shulabhinna Dushta Daksha Phalate Namah Shivaya Mula Karanaya Kala Kalate Namah Shivaya Palayadhuna Dayala Valate Namah Shivaya Ishtavastu Mukhya Dana Hetave Namah Shivaya Dushta Daitya Vamsha Dhuma Ketave Namah Shivaya Srishti Rakshanaya Dharma Setave Namah Shivaya Ashtamurtaye Vrushendra Ketave Namah Shivaya Apadadribheda Tanka Hastate Namah Shivaya पापहारि दिव्य सिन्धुमस्तते नमः शिवाय पापदारिणे लसन्नमस्तते नमः शिवाय शापदोषखण्डन प्रशस्तते नमः शिवाय व्योमकेश दिव्य भव्य रूपते नमः शिवाय हेममेदिनी धरेन्द्र चापते नमः शिवाय नाम मात्र दग्ध सर्व पापते नमः शिवाय कामनैकतान पृथुरापते नमः शिवाय ब्रह्ममस्तकावली निबद्धते नमः शिवाय जिह्मगेन्द्र कुण्डल प्रसिद्धते नमः शिवाय ब्रह्मणे प्रणीत वेद पद्धते नमः शिवाय जिह्मकाल देह दत्त पद्धते नमः शिवाय कामनाशनाय शुद्ध कर्मणे नमः शिवाय सामगान जायमान शर्मणे शिवाय हेमकान्ति चाकचक्य कर्मणे नमः शिवाय सामजासुराङ्गलब्ध चर्मणे नमः शिवाय जन्म मृत्यु घोर दुःखहारिणे नमः शिवाय चिन्मयैकरूप देहधारिणे नमः शिवाय मन्मनोरथावपूर्तिकारिणे नमः शिवाय सन्मनोगताय कामवैरिणे नमः शिवाय. There is time, Guruji. Is there still time?
Yeah, we have Bhagya here. Bhagya, would you like to lead any bhajans?
You're asking me, Jaykumarji?
Yes, I'm asking you.
Okay, can I, do we have time? I did not know we have it today. We were doing the puja, so sorry. Okay, I will sing a small bhajan.
Yeah.
Shambho Mahadeva Sada Shiva Ambujanayana Narayana Shambho Mahadeva Sada Shiva Ambujanayana Narayana Hara Om Sada Shiva Hari Om Narayana Shambho Mahadeva Sada Shiva Ambujanayana Narayana Annagabhushana Sada Shiva Sri Gandhalepita Narayana Annagabhushita Sada Shiva Sri Gandhalepita Narayana Shambho Mahadeva Sada Shiva Ambujanayana Narayana Kailasavasa Sada Shiva Vaikuntavasa Narayana Kailasavasa Sada Shiva Vaikuntavasa Narayana Shambho Mahadeva Sada Shiva Ambujanayana Narayana Parvati Ramana Sada Shiva Papa Vimochana Narayana Parvati Ramana Sada Shiva Papa Vimochana Narayana Shambho Mahadeva Sada Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Sada Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Sada Shiva. Dhanyawad.
Very nice. Very nice. So Shiva and Narayana both together coming in this. So then Papa Vimochana Narayana. Vimochaka Narayana.
Yes.
So what is it? What is that line? Where you get Papa Vimochaka Narayana?
43.
Ambuja? No, not Ambuja. So
Parvati Ramana Narayana, Papa Vimochana. No, Parvati Ramana Sadashiva, Papa Vimochaka, and Papa Vimochana Narayana.
Nice, very nice. Okay. Anybody else?
Kumar, should I sing a Shiva Panchakshari Stotra?
Yeah, we have not done. Nobody has done Shiva Panchakshara yet.
Is it okay? I mean,
Shiva Panchakshara. Go ahead, Mohini.
Namaste. Nagendraharaya Trilochanaya Bhasmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya Mandakini Saila Chandana Charchitaya Nandishwara Pramathanatha Maheshwaraya Mandara Pushpa Bahu Pushpa Supujitaya Tasmai Makaraya Namah Shivaya Shivaya Gauri Vadanabja Vrinda Suryaya Dakshadhvaranashakaya Srinilakantaya Vrushadhvajaya Tasmai Shikaraya Namah Shivaya Vasishtha Kumbhodbhava Gautamarya Munindra Devarchita Shekharaya Chandrarka Vaishwanara Lochanaya Tasmai Vakaraya Namah Shivaya Yakshaswarupaya Jatadharaya Pinakahastaya Sanatanaya Divyaya Devaya Digambaraya Tasmai Yakaraya Namah Shivaya Panchaksharamidam Punyam Yappatet Shiva Sannidhau Shivalokam Avapnoti Shivena Sahamodate.
Alashruti. Panchaksharam idam punyam yappatet Shiva sannidhau.
Shivalokam Avapnoti.
Then Shivalokam Avapnoti. So nice. They have a nice Palashruti. You keep telling this and then you will get moksha very quickly. Shivena saha modate. This man will go enjoy life with Shiva. Very nice. I like that.
Jagmarji, I would like to do Rudrashtakam if nobody has done it.
You can do Rudrashtakam. You will give you a chance to do, second chance to do Rudrashtakam. You will do it. Go ahead.
Oh, it is already done?
It has been done millions of times by many people. Okay. We are all repeating everything anyway. So please go ahead and do it.
Namami Shamishana Nirvana Rupa Vibhum Vyapakam Ve Brahma Veda Sarupa Nijam Nirgunam Nirvikalpam Nariham Chidakash Maka Shivasam Bhajeham Nirakar Ankar Moolam Turiyam Gira Jnana Goti Tamisham Garisham Karalam Mahakalam Kripalam Gunagar Sansar Param Natoha Tusharadari Sankash Gora Gambhira Manobhut Koti Prabhashir Sharira Safurmoli Kalolani Charu Ganga Lasad Bala Bali Dukanthe Bhujanga Chalat Kundalam भृत्सु नेत्रं विशाला प्रसन्नाननं नीलकण्ठं दयालं मृगाधीश चर्माम्बरं मुण्डमाला प्रियं शङ्करं सर्वनाथं भजामि प्रचण्डं प्रकष्टं प्रगल्भं परेश अखण्डम् अजं भानुकोटिप्रकाश त्रयशूलनिर्मूलनं शूलपाणि भजेऽहं भवानी पतिं मा भगम्यं कलातीतकल्याणकल्पान्तकारी सदा सज्जनानन्ददाता पुरारी चिदानंद संदोह मोहपहारी प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रभो ममतारी नायावत उमानाथ पादारविंद भजन्ति हलोके परे वानरानम् नातावत् सुखं शांति संतापनाश प्रसीद प्रभो सर्वभूतादिवास न जानाम योग जपम नैव पूजा न तो हम सदा सर्वदा शंभुतुभ्यं जरा जन्म दुःखोदतातप्यमान प्रभो पाहि आप नमामि शंभो रुद्राष्टकम् इदं प्रोक्तं विप्रेण हर्त्योष्यते ये पठन्ति नरा भक्त्या तेषां शंभु प्रसीदते.
Yeah. Prasidate. Here also same thing. Shambhuhu prasidati. Ye patanti naraha bhaktya tesham. So those who chant this Rudrashtakam bhaktya with a lot of love, a lot of devotion, then Shambhu becomes happy with all of them. That's what it says. Very nice. Sundari ji.
I will sing one Anjaneya bhajan. You can repeat it.
Bajrang Bali.
Anjaneya Veera Hanumanta Sura Anjaneya Veera Hanumanta Sura Vayu Kumara Vanaraveera Vayumara Vanaraveera Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sitaram Jai Radhesham Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sitaram Jai Sham Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sitaram Jai Radhesham Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sitaram Jai Radhesham Anjaneya Veera Hanumanta Sura Anjaneya Veera Hanumanta Sura Yukumara Vanaraveera Vayumara Vanaraveera Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sitaram Jai Radhesham Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Ram Sitaram Jai Radhesham Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sitaram Jai Radhesham Anjaneya Veera Hanumanta Sura Vayu Kumara Paraveera.
Nice, nice. So we'll finish in about 10 minutes. It's about 10 minutes to midnight here in India. So we'll give ourselves another 10 minutes. Yeah, Vijay ji has to be in another program. Yeah, Bhagya ji.
Do I have time to sing Nirvana Shatakam or did anybody sing?
No, Nirvana Shatakam, let's go.
Okay. Manobuddhyahankara Chittani Naham न च श्रोत्रजिह्वे न च घ्राणनेत्रे न च व्योमभूमिर्न तेजो न वायु चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न च प्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायुर्न वा सप्तधातुर्न वा पञ्चकोशः न वा पाणिपादौ न चोपस्थपायु चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न मे द्वेष रागौ न मे लोभ मोहौ मदो नैव मे नैव मात्सर्यभाव न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्षः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न मन्त्रो न तीर्थं न वेदा न यज्ञा अहं भोजनं नैव भोज्यं न भोक्ता चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न मृत्युर्न शङ्का न मे जातिभेद पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्म न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभुव्याप्य सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां सदा मे समत्वं न मुक्तिर्न बन्धुः चिदानन्द रूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं. Sorry, I missed the tune.
Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham. So after studying Bhagavad Gita for 1 year, how do you see this Nirvana Shaktam? Do you see it any differently? Bhagyaji. We can't hear you. You are muted.
Quite a lot, Jai Kumarji. Really quite a lot. Especially after speaking to you on that day. It is really helping me not to worry about myself. That you really gave me the strength in there. So, I mean, Bhagavad Gita, these are all I used to sing 4 or 5 years ago. So I'm going back and trying to practice. But you're right, looking at these slokas, it is the meaning, I feel totally different. I think this all because of you. Thank you.
All Krishna's grace, Shiva's grace is always there with us, all of us. So very nice.
Dhanyawad.
Anybody else?
Shivashtakam.
Go ahead, Banu.
Prabhum Prananatham Vibhum Vishwanatham Jagannatanatham Sadananda Bhajam Bhavadbhavya Bhuteshwaram Bhutanatham Shivam Shankaram Shambhumishanamire Galerundamalam Tanau Sarpajalam महाकालकालं गणेशादिपालं जटाजूतगङ्गोत्तरङ्गैः विशालं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे मुदामाकरं मण्डनं मण्डयन्तं महामण्डलं भस्मभूषाधरन्तम् अनादिं ह्यपारं महामोहमारं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे वटाढो निवासं महाट्टाट्टहासं महापापनाशं सदा सुप्रकाशम् गिरीशं गणेशं सुरेशं महेशं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे गिरीन्द्रात्मजा सङ्गृहीतार्थदेहं गिरौ संस्थितं सर्वदा पन्नगेहम् परब्रह्म ब्रह्मादिभिर्वन्द्यमानं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे कपालं त्रिशूलं कराभ्यां दधानं पदाम्भोजनं रायकामं ददानं बलीवर्धमानं पुराणां प्रधानं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे शरच्चन्द्रगात्रं गणानन्दपात्रं त्रिनेत्रं पवित्रं धनेशस्य मित्रम् अपर्णाकळत्रं सदा सच्चरित्रं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे हरं सर्पहारं हिताभूविहारं भवं वेदसारं सदा निर्विकारं मशाने वसन्तं मनोजं दहन्तं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे स्वयं यः प्रभाते नरः शूलपाणे पठे स्तोत्ररत्नं स्थितः प्राप्न्यरत्नम् सुपुत्रं सुधान्यं सुमित्रं कलत्रं विचित्रैः समाराध्य मोक्षं प्रयाति.
Yeah, nice. Been a long time since I heard that. Okay, so we will conclude with that. So Shivaratri well spent today. It's nice to have met all of you once again. So we once again seek blessings from all our acharyas and all our gurus, and of course Shiva today especially, and let him bless all of us and everybody in this world. Om Swasti Prajabhyah Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahishaha Go Brahmanebhyah Shubhamastu Nityam Lokas Samastas Sukhino Bhavantu Kale Varshatu Parjanyah Prithvi Sasya Shalini Desho Yam Kshobarahitah Brahmanas Santu Nirbhayaha Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Thank you, Jay Kumarji. Do you have 2 minutes? Can I say something?
Thank you, Jay Kumarji.
Thank you, Jay Kumarji.
Yeah,
Morning very well spent.